Student, yesterday we derived the equation the rate constant of what first order reaction. Today I can solve the few numericals or the problems on what first order reaction. The today's first problem is show that in a first order reaction the time required for the completion of 99% is twice the time required for the completion of what 90% of reaction, or show that T99% equal to 2 times of what T90%. Yes. Now the solution. Yes. What is the solution? What is the first order equation? First order rate constant equation is K is equals to 2.303 divided by T log of what? Log of what? R naught divided by what? R. But here time you have to calculate and you have to make it arrangement. T 99% is equals to 2.303 divided by T log of what? R naught divided by what? R. So what is the R naught? So this problem is in the form of percentage. So R naught is always, it is what? 100%. What is the R? R is equals to what? 100 minus of what? 99 is equals to what? Is equals to 1%. Now T99% is equals to 2.303 divided by K. Now K log of S. What is the initial concentration? 100. What is the R? Is what? 1. So now it is 2.303 divided by K log of what? Log of what? 100. Log of what? 100. Or 2.303 divided by what? K log 100 is equals to, log 100 is equals to 2. So now T99% time required for 99% is equals to 4, 6. Next is 0, 6 divided by what? K. So this is the equation number 1. Or next is what here? Now the time required for what? Completion of what? 90%. Yes. T90% is equals to, yes. Now 2.303 divided by K log of what? What is the initial concentration? It is always, it is what? 100. So how much is completed? How much is completed? 90. So 100 minus of what? 100 minus of 90. So now it is 2.303 divided by K log of what? So 100 minus 90 is equals to what? 10. 0 cancel. Now it is 2.303 divided by K. Now it is what? Log of what? 10. So this is for time required for 90%. Now T is equals to 90%. Now 2.303 divided by K log 10 equals to 1. So now it is a T90% is equals to 2.303 divided by K. So this is the equation number 2. Now divide equation 1 by 2. What is the equation number 1? So T99% divided by T90% is equals to, what is this T99%? T99% is nothing but a 4.606 divided by K, and this is the T90% is 2.303 divided by K. So now the K cancel. So what is the remaining? The remaining is 4.606 divided by 2.303, or T99% divided by T90% is equals to 2, or now T99% is equals to 2 times of what? 2 times of what? T90%. So this is the show that or prove that the time required for 99% is equals to what? 2 times of what? T90%. Already the first problem is over. The second one is show that in a first order reaction the time required for the completion of 99.9% is 10 times of half-life of the reaction. Now the solution is, what is the solution? In the solution case 1, what is this case 1? Now the time required for what? The completion of what are 99.9% is equals to 2.303 divided by k log of what? Log of what? R naught divided by what? R. Yes. What is the initial concentration? Yes, the initial concentration R naught is equals to 100%. What is the concentration of R? So how much is completed? 99.9. How much is remained? 99.9 is equals to 0.1%. Yes, now T 99.9% is equals to 2.303 divided by K log of what? What is R naught? R naught is 100. So what is R? R is equals to 0.1. Now 2.303 divided by K log of what? Log of what? 1000. Yes. Now 2.303 divided by K. So log 1000 is equals to 3. So T 99.9% is equals to 6. Next is what? 6. Next is what? 2 into 3, 6, 3 3s are 9. Next is 0 and 9 divided by what? K. So this is what? The first equation. This is the first equation. Equation number 1. Next the case 2. What is this case 2? In this case 2, the is 10 times of what? Half-life. Half-life means what? T half. T half is nothing but a T 50%. The half-life equation is what? 0.693 divided by what? K. So this is the equation number 2. Divide equation 1. Divide equation 1 by 2. What is the expression? T 99.9% divided by what? T 50% is equals to 6.909 divided by K. Next is what? Second is 0.693 divided by K. So K gets cancelled. What is the answer? 6.909 divided by what? 0.693 is equals to what? 9.99, and it is approximately equals to what? 10. Now the T 99.9% is 10 times of what? The time required for what? The 50% of the reaction. So this is the second example for show that in a first order reaction the time required for completion of 99.9% is 10 times of what? The time required for our half-life of the reaction. Example. Third example, a first order reaction takes 40 minutes for 30% decomposition. Calculate T half. T half means half-life of the reaction. Now the solution. In the solution, total 2 cases are there. In case 1, first you have to find out what? The rate constant with help of what? The time 40 minutes. Then you have to go forward the calculation of what? Half-life. What is the case 1? The first K is equals to, yes, K is equals to 2.303 divided by T log of R naught. Log of what? R naught divided by what? R. Yes. What is the time? Time is given 40 minutes. What is the initial concentration? The initial concentration is 100% because 30% is decomposed, means initial concentration is 100%. What is the R value, or what is the concentration of R? So 100 minus of 30. So it is equals to what? 70% is remained after 40 minutes. What is this K? K is equals to 2.303. What is the time? Time is equals to 40 minutes. Log R naught is what? R naught is anything but 100. What is the R value? R value is what? 70. Now K is equals to 2.303 divided by 40 log of what? 100 divided by 70. 100 divided by 70 is nothing but a 1.428. Yes, now K is equals to 2.303 divided by what? 40. You see log 14th second column, and the mean difference is what? 8. So we can get. So now what is the characteristic? The characteristic log 1 point is the characteristic is 0, and log 14 second column and 8th mean difference. So we can get what? 1547, and now you have to multiply 2.303 into 0.1547 divided by 40. So we can get what? 0.00890, 0.00890. The unit of K for first order is what? Per minute. So this is the case 1. In the case 1, so we found what? The rate constant. Then you go for what? Calculate T half. T half means what? Half life. What is the half life equation? T half is equals to 0.693 divided by K. So T half is equals to 0.693. What is the K value? K value is what? 0.00890. So we can get the answer is 77. We can get what? The answer is 77.8 minutes. So this is the half-life of what? Reaction. Now fourth example. A first order reaction is found to have the rate constant 5.5 into 10 to the power of minus 14 per second. Now calculate what? Or find half-life of reaction or half-life period. This is very important for the 2 marks question. Now the solution. What is the half-life period equation? The half-life is equals to T half 0.693 divided by what? K. So the rate constant is given. K is equals to 5.5 into 10 to the power of what? Minus 14. This is what? Per second. So what is the question? The question is find half-life period. Yes. So T half is equals to 0.693 divided by what? K. What is the K value? This is 5.5 into 10 to the power of what? Minus 14. Now you have to divide 0.693 divided by 5.5 into 10 to the power of what? Minus 14. So we can get 1.26 into 10 to the power of what? 13. This is what? Second. This is what? Second time. So we can express in terms of second, and the rate constants we can express in terms of per second. Calculate the overall order of reaction which has rate expression. First A is rate is equals to K A to the power of 1 by 2, B to the power of 3 by 2, and B1 is rate equal to K A to the power of 3 by 2 and B to the power of 1. So these are very important for 1 mark question. The first solution A. So rate is equals to K A to the power of what? 1 by 2 and B to the power of what? 3 by 2. You know that what is order? Already you know that what is order? Order is the sum of the powers of what? Concentration term in experimentally determined rate equation, or the rate expression is called order of reaction. What is the power of A is what? 1 by 2 and the power of what? B is what? 3 by 2. So what is the order? Order is what? 2. And second B. B is what? The rate is equals to what? K. And now it is A to the power of what? 3 by 2 and B to the power of what? 1. So similarly here also, what is the order? Order is the sum of the powers. What is the powers of A? This is what? 3 by 2 and the power of B is what? 1. So the answer is what? 1 by 2, or it is nothing but a 0.5. To 3 by 2 plus 1. So 3 by 2 is what, everybody? 1.5 plus of what? Sorry, 3 by 2 is what? 1.5. 1.5 plus of what? 3 by 2 is what? 1.5. To 3 by 2 plus of what? 1. So it is what? 3 by 2 is what? 1.5 plus 1. So it is equals to 2 2.5 is the order of the reaction. First order gas phase reaction. The first order gas phase reaction. Yes. Now, A reactant is in gaseous state. It gives rise to what? B gas plus of what? C gas. Let Pi is what? Initial pressure. Initial pressure of what? Initial pressure of what? Reactant A. Initial pressure of reactant A. Reactant A. And PT is what? PT is the total pressure. Total pressure at time T. At time T. So this is the total pressure. Now the total pressure PT is equals to total pressure PT is equals to the partial pressure of A plus PB, partial pressure of B plus of what? Partial pressure of C. This is what? Total pressure. Now A is what? Gas, gives rise to what? B gas plus of what? C gas. At time t equal to 0, at time t equal to 0, the initial pressure of A is what? Pi. Now it is what? 0 and 0. At time t, say there is a decrease in what? The pressure of A by what? X. Decrease in pressure of A by what? X. This is what? Pi minus X. And increase in the pressure of what? B is what? X atmosphere. And C is also what? X atmosphere. Now, I can write here. What is the total pressure? The total pressure is equals to partial pressure of A plus partial pressure of B plus partial pressure of C. Now, the total pressure is equals to, what is the partial pressure of A? The partial pressure of A is nothing but a Pi minus of X. Pi minus of X. Plus what is the partial pressure of B? This is what? X. And this is also X. So the total pressure is equals to, so partial Pi minus of X plus of what? X plus of X. So now is what here? Plus X and minus X cancel. The total pressure is equals to Pi plus of what? X, or X is equals to total pressure minus of what? Total pressure minus of initial pressure. Now at t equal to 0, Pi is what? Initial pressure. Is what? Initial pressure. Is what? Initial pressure. And what is the PA? PA is nothing but a, what is this PA? PA is the partial pressure of A is nothing but a Pi, initial pressure minus of X. So the partial pressure of A is equals to, so now this is what? Pi, what is this X? X is nothing but a, this is X is what? PT minus of what? Pi. So PA is equals to, now it is what? Pi minus of PT, minus into minus plus, this is what? Pi, it is nothing but a 2 Pi minus of what? PT. Yes. Now, you know that already, you know that expression. Already we know that expression. K is equals to 2.303 divided by T log of what? Log of what? The log of what? Initial pressure. Log of what? Initial pressure. This is what? Pi. What is this? Anybody? Pi divided by what? Pa. Yes, K is equals to 2.303 divided by T log of what? Initial pressure Pi. What is Pa? Pa is nothing but a 2 Pi minus of Pt. So this is the expression for what? The rate constant of first order reaction in gas phase reaction.